All right, hey, what's up guys? GratuiTous here. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about menu favorites. They are so powerful inside of FL Studio and they allow you to quickly access your commonly used folders. So for example, you're going to go to File. You can either click Open or Save As. Let's just go Save As. And so you're going to see right down here, it says Favorites. I have music production as well as beat tapes. So if you want to add a folder, all you have to do is just go to the folder that you want and just click add this folder to favorites. Okay, so let me show you how to set up your own folder if you want to do this, okay? So let's just go to my desktop here. I press Control, Shift, and N. That's the shortcut to open a folder fast. And I'm just going to name it Test, okay? And so let's say we want to add Test to our favorites. So first of all, you have to actually double click into Test, go to Favorites, and then add this folder to Favorites. Now you will see that Test is there. Now, if you want to remove Test from your favorites menu, you actually have to go to the folder. You're going to see it says remove this folder. And that is the proper way to do it. And then you can delete it, okay? However, if you do it like this, if you add this folder to favorites, so you're going to see Test is right here. And we're going to come here and I am going to delete Test, okay? So you can see that it shows Test. I can click it and nothing's happening. And I'm not going to be able to delete Test until I remake that folder. Let me walk that through with you, okay? So if I go back and then we come forward again, so you're going to see what happens is it actually updates and it shows the pre-existing path file, okay? Or file path. So as you can see, it's in my C drive and it's on my desktop and in a folder called test. And make sure it's capitalized or like whatever the capitalization is. I guess in this case is uppercase. Okay, so again, if I click this, I'm not going into a folder. So I press Control, Shift, and Test, double click it, and now you can remove it. Okay, so now it's going to be gone from here, and you can also see that it was updated. It actually said Test. We're going to go back, and now if you want to delete this folder, again, it's not in your favorites anymore, so you can delete it, and you're good to go. Okay, so that is a walkthrough of your menu favorites. So powerful. As you can see, I have my own music production one and my beat tapes. So if you guys want to learn about how to set up a powerful custom music production folder, I have a course on that. It's called A Specific Music Production Folder, and I've laid it out this way on purpose. I've been using FL Studio for many years. It now just allows me just to prevent missing files, all that stuff, okay? So if you guys are interested, just check below the video. Again, it's called A Specific Music Production Folder. It's only $9. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my FL Studio help guide quick video here. There's going to be lots more coming. If you guys want to stay updated, just go to itsgratuitous.com. That's my website. Or if you guys want to join the newsletter, itsgratuitous.com/FL Studio. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video.